Good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday, so I thought I would take you guys along for a little Sunday reset, kind of how we set up for a week. Now that I'm in clinic full time for the semester, I feel like my Sundays look a little bit different just because I'm not home as much like during the week, and then Jordan obviously works full time. So we're gonna clean, do some laundry, go to the gym, go to the grocery store, and then I prep some food just like get us through lunches for the week. I think that makes it easier, so I thought I'd take you guys along. So first we're gonna clean.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my...
This is my least favorite part of cleaning up is, oh my god, washing all of our water bottles for the week. I feel like it just takes forever. So let's do it. Then we have to clean the floors and the bathrooms, and then we're good to go. But I hate doing this. Why do we have so many for 2 people? There's just 2 of us. This is a lot of water bottles. And I have to wash this big dumb one. Way too many. Okay, let's do it.
Where I'm okay, living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want.
I have really cute cleaning OOTD. Okay, actually I already finished cleaning, which is why my shirt is soaking wet because I had to wash all those stupid water bottles. But I got this shirt at Disney World. This is my what am I trying to say? My souvenir. And I swear, and maybe this isn't right, but I swear they used to put this design on the bags when I was little, which is why I bought it because I thought it was so funny. And then I tucked my socks into my sweatpants because I'm an athlete. But let's get ready for the gym. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna set up. If you didn't know, my husband Jordan's a chiropractor, and so we have a table in our apartment because he had to have it for school. So we're doing Sunday cracks apparently. I am not a chiropractor and I'm not qualified to do this, but that's okay. Okay, breathe in. Oh yeah. I don't know if this will actually pick this up. High?
One more, a little higher. Yeah.
Higher?
Yeah.
I'm nervous.
Good. Oh, nice. Nice.
Okay, my turn. I'm like freaking sweating from scrubbing the shower. I hate scrubbing the shower. I love getting cracked. Oh god.
You okay?
No, I wasn't ready.
Here, relax your arms. There you go.
Oh. Jesus. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna get ready for the gym and I'm just gonna wear these black leggings and this like blue sports bra. So let's get changed. Alright, I'm gonna put my contacts in. I think we're gonna go to the grocery store first and then go to the gym. I'm not really sure what Jordan's plan is. I think he might just get in the sauna. I'm gonna lift legs today. Honestly, I just started at my like first externship site of 4th year and I feel like it's just kind of a little crazy, so I've switched like my split up a little bit. Just it's like not what I normally do because my schedule is just a little crazy. I'm used to being able to go to the gym like whenever I want just because I'm studying. Because the last few semesters like weren't so much in the classroom. It was like preparing for part 1 and stuff and then like being in the school clinic. So I was home quite a bit and so I could kind of just go whenever I wanted or like do basically whatever I wanted. But now I'm working, oh my gosh, tonight's wedding. 410s at a hospital. My first night is like a hospital rotation, and it's going really well. I'm really liking it, but it's just a lot of hours with obviously no pay, and I have an hour commute one way 3 days a week, so like 2-hour commute total, which kind of friggin' blows. And then I'm also trying to study to retake part 1, so I feel like my life is a little bit crazy right now. So I might make like another video talking about my split. I think I have it figured out now. Gonna use this styling cream. I think I have it figured out now, and like I'm on a better plan. But I was trying to go in the mornings, and my shift starts at 7. My first patient of the day is usually at 7:30, but I have to be there at like 7 to 7:15, and that means I have to leave at 6 to 6 at like 6. And so my gym doesn't open till 5, so like going in the mornings is just not working for me. And so now I'm trying to go in the evenings, but I feel like it's just taking me a while to like get back on the schedule because I'm just not, oh god, I'm just not used to it. But going well, feeling good. This week I feel like I'm like, okay, non-negotiable, we're hitting the gym every day. So feeling good about that. We're headed to the grocery store now. I think we're just gonna run to Trader Joe's. We have a bunch of meat in the freezer, so we're not gonna buy meat during this grocery run. I think we have like 6 or 7 pounds of ground beef in the fridge.
Yep.
What is it?
Yeah, 6 or 7.
That will like cook up
Costco
for the week.
pack.
Yeah, one of the mega ones. And then we have some steaks in the freezer and stuff. So like I said, we won't buy any meat. We're basically just gonna buy fruit and like some sweet potatoes and stuff. I don't even make a list when I go to the grocery store anymore. When we were eating more carbs and like not maybe so animal based, I would plan out our meals just to make sure I had all the ingredients. But now we pretty much just buy meat and fruit. So we're headed to Trader Joe's. I think that's our only stop, and then we'll head to the gym. And I think we're gonna sauna at the gym. So it should be good. Yeah, you want to? Okay, I think that cut me off, but we got these like little sunflower, like they're peanut butter cups, but they're sunflower cups. And they are gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, tree nut-free, peanut-free, and vegan. So it's a lot. But I can never find anything that is soy-free that's chocolate. Because usually they put like soy lectin in it, or whatever, however you say it. So those are really good. I gave them a 10 out of 10. We almost ate the whole bag. We just dropped our chocolate chip or chocolate ice cream off, and now we are going to the gym finally. What would you rate those sunflower things?
Probably like an 8.
They're pretty good. They're pretty good.
Solid.
The sauna, and it was so hot. I made it like 17 minutes. I didn't make it to 20 because I was dying, and I'm literally so sweaty. But I'm waiting for Jordan to finish. He showers at the gym, and I don't, just because I feel like I have to wash my hair and it takes way too much work. But I'm very sweaty, so I'm just waiting in the car for him. It's so fun when we get to work out, because we used to work out together for like 4 years during undergrad, and now, well, in part of grad school, but now that we are kind of on opposite schedules, we don't get to work out together. Because it was like every lift together for a while, and so that was really fun. It's like a fun little date when we do get to lift, so that was really fun. I'm grateful that we got to do that today. But I'm waiting for him. Gonna go home and take like an everything shower. Like my hair is like soaking wet, and then I'll put away the groceries and like we'll meal prep our stuff for the week. Okay, I'm finally excuse me.
Sorry.
I'm finally showered, so I'll show you what we got at the grocery store. Hold on, I need to fix my light. I'm gonna unpack. I got Jordan on ground beef duty because we're gonna prep some food for the week. So Jordan's gonna cook the 7 pounds of ground beef.
Yep.
7 pounds of ground beef with what?
Taco seasoning.
With taco seasoning. I'm
You're
addicted.
addicted to it.
I know, I'm addicted to taco seasoning. It's fine. Okay, so I'll show you what we got at the grocery store. We got a pineapple, a bag of potatoes, just like golden potatoes. This is some Roma tomatoes. These are pears. Jordan got pears. Gross. I got some of these like little sweet snack peppers or whatever they're called. Just to take in my lunch, because I haven't been taking my lunches big enough and I've been hungry all the time. And then I got some RX bars to stick in my lunch. We got 2 bags of sweet potatoes. I got let me get the sweet potatoes all the way. I got Honeycrisp apples. 2 bags of mini avocados. I don't know. Some carrots. These are like multicolored ones, kind of fun. And then 5 ears of corn, because I think we're gonna grill steaks. The weather's supposed to be really nice this week, well, towards the end of the week, and so I think we'll grill one day. So I like grilled corn on the cob that we put on the smoker, but Jordan always drops one, so I get 5, so we can each have 2. Okay, that's all from that bag. And then I got some tortilla chips because I'm gonna prep this like dip that I really like. These are apples for Jordan. What kind of apples do you like?
The Cosmic Crisp.
Cosmic Crisps. They're not as good. Then I got a big thing of organic strawberries. I got these to try. I've never tried them before. They're coconut flavored almonds. We'll see. There was no soy in them, but I thought to stick in my lunch. I got a pack of chicken apple sausages for the reserves, in case we run out of ground beef. I got 1 singular bell pepper for my egg bake, some cilantro, some frozen roasted corn, a bunch of bananas, and some onions, some red onions that are very messy. But that is all we got from the grocery store. And like I said, we didn't get any meat because we had meat. I also got some hydrangeas for fun. I've been getting like a bouquet of flowers every few weeks and I really like it. Okay, I think that's it for the grocery haul. And then I'll show you kind of what we are going to prep. So we're going to prep all that ground beef into taco meat. And then I'm going to make a bunch of sweet potatoes. I've been making an egg bake because I usually eat scrambled eggs in the morning. But if I can sleep in for like 10 more minutes and not have to actually make the breakfast and I can just heat it up, even better. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to prep all our fruit, like wash all our fruit for the week. And I had one more thing I was going to do. Oh, I'm going to make this like salsa dip for lunch, like burrito bowls throughout the week. So I'm going to cut up some sweet potatoes. I'm going to peel them, which is my least favorite job. I would pay to have them peeled for me already, but that's okay. So I'm going to put this away, peel some sweet potatoes. Okay, I'm just going to wash all my strawberries. Oh, maybe. With some baking soda or powder? Soda, right?
I think so.
I always get it mixed up. So I just put them in a bowl and then sprinkle some baking powder and then cover them with water and let them sit for a few minutes. I never used to wash all our fruit before like we were ready to eat it. But I do think it makes a difference in the mornings, don't you?
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely nicer to have. Yeah.
I think it's a little easier because I'm going to wash our apples too. But since we like 2 different kinds of apples, I'm going to leave the stickers on mine so we can tell, okay?
Okay.
And I'll take the stickers off yours.
Okay.
Because one of us... You got Fuji apples?
Yeah.
Ugh. I'm a Fuji hater. Gross. Why'd you pick those ones?
They're cheaper.
Well, yeah, but God, at what cost? They're terrible. The best husband ever doing the job I hate the most?
That's what I do.
Ugh, and these are like miniature sweet potatoes too. They're very small, which makes them so freaking hard to peel. Okay, this is all of our fruit washed and drying. I keep the stickers on my apples so I can tell which ones they are. And then she's really full, but I don't really see anything like good coming off of them yet. So we'll let them sit for a few more and then rinse them off. Okay, next I'm gonna make my egg bake for breakfast, and I literally just take a 12 pack of eggs. I'm out of eggs from my parents' house, so I'm back to store-bought eggs. And they really just do not look as good. So anyways, I'm gonna crack all 12, scramble them, and then I might add half this bell pepper, some tomato, and some taco seasoning, which is my favorite. And then I just put it in the oven for like 30 minutes or so until it is done. Super easy. I don't have any like cooking spray, so for pans and stuff, I usually just take a little bit of coconut oil on like a paper towel or like a dishcloth and just rub it in and hope for the best. So that's what we're doing. So my egg bake is done. That should feed me for like 4 days or so. I usually ate 3 eggs for breakfast in the morning, so this is what she looks like. Oh, hold on. Oh my goodness. My camera's stuck. Okay, that's what she looks like. I just did a Roma tomato and half of an orange bell pepper, taco seasoning, and 12 eggs. I think I said that already, but she looks good. These are literally the world's most like hot dog sweet potatoes. They're the smallest sweet potatoes ever. I'm literally cutting them like a carrot. But I'm just gonna chop them and then roast them in the oven. Usually I don't cut them like this, but they're such odd shaped. Like they're so skinny that I don't really know how to cut them. So I think this was 5 pounds, and then we are gonna do some normal potatoes with them too. Having a slight emergency in the Frost house, I made banana bread last night and it bubbled over and I kind of forgot about it, and I've had the oven on for a while and it got on fire in the oven. So we have all the doors open and all the windows open.
Okay, it's going out now. It's going out.
I'm so nervous, my heart rate is so fast. So we had to pull everything out of the oven because my stupid banana bread's on fire. God. Okay, during this brief intermission while we are not using the oven and all the windows are open. What?
Washer.
Oh, well that's fine. I'm doing my last little laundry, so you'll definitely be able to hear our stupid washer. But I'm just gonna cut up, I have 5 Roma tomatoes. Also, this is the biggest Roma tomato I've ever seen them. Look how big these are. Wait, this one might be even bigger. They're huge. So I'm gonna wash them and then take the pit out. It's not a tomato. What, like, take the seeds and stuff out in the middle and then chop them really fine. Because we're making like a pico-y salsa. Okay, this is what she looks like. So it's corn, tomatoes, red bell pepper, or orange bell pepper, and then cilantro. And then you just add lime. But my limes are... Okay, doesn't sound that bad. They're rock hard. So I need Jordan to come squeeze them for me because I'm just a lady. And then you add a ton of salt, and it makes like the best dip for bowls and just whatever you want throughout the week. So I think that is all we are going to meal prep. Once our kitchen fire is out, we're going to put our potatoes back in the oven. And then I think we are good. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And hopefully I haven't burnt my house down by then.